Hello, dear all. Welcome to my new channel. This channel is about primary and lower secondary mathematics. Dear kids, dear students, from this channel you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot of interesting methods how to learn mathematics. It will be very funny, and I am sure that you will get very good results after this channel and you will start to love mathematics. And dear adults, dear teachers, and dear all who wants to start as a teacher, you will reach very good goals from this channel. You will get very interesting methods, very interesting and funny ways how to teach mathematics. I'm sure that you will love math and you will be very good teacher after this. I will do my best to help you in this way, and time by time I will share my own experience with you also. My name is Arzu, and I have experience in teaching international mathematics more than 15 years. And time by time, I will start to give more information about myself. But now I want you to focus on mathematics and to start to wish and to achieve your goals from mathematics. Believe me that mathematics is not difficult topic. It is very interesting, it is life, and everybody should have chance to learn and to know mathematics very well. My aim in opening this channel exactly this one, to make everybody to get chance to learn mathematics and enjoy this beautiful and amazing subject. Good luck to all of us. I'm happy to have all you here. See you in our next and the first lesson.